This is Captain Tinsley, Salty Bannon, and Salty Quickie. I just uploaded a quickie and said that I wasn't sure if I was going to go the outside route or the inside route from Pensacola Pass to Perdido Pass in Orange Beach. Well, after I did that video talking about all those power boats in the boat parade yesterday, this is Labor Day weekend, and the inside route, once I got out of the bay, was going to probably be pretty brutal with the power boats. So I decided to go the outside route, and that was an excellent decision. I'm not going really fast. I think I'm going, well, right now I'm going 3.8 knots, but I was going like 5. And then the wind is about 10 knots. But it's following seas as I head west. It was, I looked on passageweather.com, and it was like a half a, well, 1 to 2 feet seas. I think they're actually smaller than that. And so I'm just gonna cook a steak over here and just relax all the way back. And I don't see a lot of boats out here. They're all off in the distance. There's people out fishing and everything, but they're off in the distance and they're not pounding me. So take a It's real quiet out here. The water's really pretty. This was a great trip to test out the boat before and kind of get back in the swing of things, of staying on the boat and, you know, provisioning and everything before I hopefully leave in October 1st. When I woke up this morning, it was nice and cool. That was extremely nice. It's been so hot and humid all summer. It'll be nice to head south. First going from Orange Beach to Destin, and then Destin across the Gulf to Clearwater and so forth. Scott will make that crossing with me. But this is what it's like out here. I don't know what it's like where you are, but this is beautiful. No engine, just sailing. That noise is the autopilot. Very nice. That's it for now. Salty Bannon out. I'm gonna be cooking a steak. Salty Bannon out.